Hello, for our lesson today we're going to look at a couple of different puzzles. So the first one is the frogs puzzle. So basically what we have to do is get all the red frogs onto this side and all the green frogs onto this side. We basically need to swap them over. And the rule is you can slide a frog onto an empty lily pad if it's beside the empty lily pad. So we could do that or that, okay? Or if there's a space on the other side of a frog, for example, if that frog was there, then this one is allowed to leap over onto the spare lily pad, okay? So basically we're trying to swap the frogs over so that the red ones are all on the right-hand side and the green ones are all on the left-hand side. So the first picture here is the most simple situation where we've got one frog on each side. So what we're looking at is what's the smallest number of moves that we can do this in, okay? So let's start with the red frog. So he can slide to the middle like this. And then this green one can't slide to there because there's a frog already there, so it has to jump over onto that one. And then the red one slides to there. So that's them swapped. And how many moves did that take? Well, if we put them back, then we can see that that took 1, 2, 3 moves. Okay, so 3, oops, wrong colour, just a minute. 3 moves. Right, okay, so let's look at when we've got 2 frogs on each side. So let's start with the green ones. So we're going to go green and then red and then green, and then I'm going to do this one and then that one. And now I've got a problem because you're only allowed to jump over one frog at a time, so there's nowhere to go there. So we're going to start again. If you want to pause the video and have a go yourself, that's maybe a good idea. So let's try again. So we're going to go 1, and we're going to jump 2. Now the last time what we did was we moved that one up. So we're not going to do that yet. We'll move this one up. 3, then 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. So the smallest number of moves we could do that in was 8. Okay, so if I just quickly show you that again, because you're going to do it for more frogs. So we'll start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, watch that as many times as you need to get the hang of it. So what I would like you to think about now is if you've got 3 green frogs and 3 red frogs, I know they're not frogs, how many moves would it take you to swap them all over? What's the smallest number of moves you could do it in? Then you could try it for 4 frogs on each side and see how you get on. Okay, if you're in class doing this, then it's good fun if you can set the chairs out and have a team of green frogs and a team of red frogs and actually do the moving. But be careful if you do that and don't actually jump over each other. Okay, well, have fun with this and I'll see you soon.